Repeat after me. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. All right, we're gonna rotate arms. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. All right, feet apart, hands in your knees. Turn your shoulder to one side. Repeat after me. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Other side now. Okay. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. All right, arms crossed, head down to the middle. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Good job. Awesome. All right, shake your hand, shake your leg, shake it out. Ready? And chariot. Kanya. Good work. Hi guys. Are you guys ready to face the courtesy guardian? Awesome. All right. Well, he's supposed to be here. According to Dr. Fist's map, he should be around here. Do you guys see him? Where? Ah, there he is.
Greetings. I am Leaf, the guardian of the courtesy gem. In order for me to give you the gem, you gotta complete my challenge. Are you ready for it?
A challenge, huh? You guys think you can take on the challenge? Can you guys say yes, sir? Awesome. All right, Guardian, what is the challenge you have to have us do?
You must cut all the logs in half with a hammer fist.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Let me show you guys how to do a hammer fist. Everyone go and make a fist just like this. Now, what we're going to do is when I say go, we're gonna swing our arm up and we're gonna bend down on one knee like this. Now, what's gonna happen is the Guardian's gonna shoot us some logs and we gotta break the boards. We gotta break the logs in half. Are you guys ready? Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Ready? Boom, good, good job. Ready, go. Boom, good. Ready, go. Good. Ready, go. Nice, good job, you guys. Ready, go. Awesome, good. Go. Good, oh, they're gonna be faster now. Ready, go. Good, go. Good, go. Good, go. Nice, go. Good, awesome. All right, we're gonna switch hands now, switch. Good, all right, he's gonna throw some logs at us. Be careful, ready, go. Nice, go. Good, go. Good, go. Good, go. Awesome, all right, they're gonna be fast now. Get ready, ready, go. 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 Awesome job. All right, now we got one big final one. Here's what I do. We gotta charge this up. And we start swinging our arm. Start swinging it, swinging it, swinging it. Good, good, good. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice, good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome, awesome work. All right, Guardian, did we get the courtesy stone?
Sure. Great job, everybody.
All right, you guys, we got one stone. There's more to go. Pen face here, Chariot. Kanya. Awesome. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.